finding the x-intercepts and vertex of a parabola. So remember x-intercepts, the way that we're going to find those is we're going to factor. The x-intercepts are your roots. So it's the factor in cell for 0. The vertex is we start with x equals negative b over 2a, and then plug in for x to get y. All right, so when we have x squared minus 2x minus 1, plus 1, remember that this is a trinomial that it factors nicely. I need the factors of 1 that add together to get negative 2. So this is going to be x minus 1, x minus 1. They're going to be the same, equals y. So when I'm solving it, I would put the y has to be 0 for the x-intercepts. So x minus 1, 0 equals x minus 1. They give me the exact same thing, x equals 1, x equals 1. So the x-intercept is just 1, or it's the point 1 comma 0. All we need to do is put in that 1. The vertex, for that, I have my a equals 1, my b equals negative 2, and my c equals 1. I have x equals negative b over 2a, so it equals negative 2 over 2 times 1, which is 2 over 2, which is just 1. That's the x. So then I'm plugging that x in for, that 1 in for x. Y equals 1 squared minus 2 times 1 plus 1. Actually, because the x-intercept, there's only one of them, I know that that will be my vertex, but we're going to prove it here anyways. 1 squared is 1 minus 2 plus 1. 1 minus 2 is negative 1 plus 1 is 0, so y is 0. So my vertex is my x-intercept, which is 1, 0. All right, doing the same with the next one, we have we're going to factor, so I need my factors of negative 7 that subtract and equal to a 6, and my factors of 7 minus 1, because they're going to be subtracting, will get me to the 6. So this is going to factor because it's a nice trinomial. I can just jump right in. I don't have to do the 4 terms. So this is x plus 7, x minus 1, and I'm going to set it equal to 0 because I'm looking for my intercepts. So I have x plus 7 equals 0, x equals negative 7, and 0 equals x minus 1, x equals 1. So my x-intercepts are negative 7 and 1. And then I do have to find my vertex. So x equals negative b over 2a. My a equals 1, b equals 6, c equals negative 7. So the axis of symmetry is going to be at a negative, plugging in a 6, 2 times 1, which is just going to equal negative 6 over 2, which is negative 3. That's my x. Plugging that in, I've got y equals negative 3 squared plus 6 times negative 3 minus 7. So negative 3 times negative 3 is 9. Minus 3 times 6 is 18. Minus 7. And I have negative 9 minus 7 is negative 16. So my vertex is going to be negative 3, negative 16, and that is all I need to do.